Do you see the presents?
I see Mickey Mouse downstairs.
Are they from the Easter Bunny?
The Easter Bunny.
Did he bring you presents?
Bring me Mickey Mouse.
Are you gonna hold on? You want me to hold your hand? Go find your presents.
You get Easter bunnies. You get Easter bunnies.
Is that from the Easter Bunny?
Yes. So,
Why don't you look at your presents first?
Look at the rest of them.
Oh,
Ah!
open it. We'll open it.
we'll open it in a bit. Let's look at the rest of your presents. Do you want to wear? Look at this. Do you want to wear this? You want to wear your ears?
This is my Easter bunny. This is my Easter bunny.
Yeah.
This is my Easter bunny. Open the Easter bunny.
Just from the Easter. Let's open the candy later. Why don't you look at the rest of your stuff? Here. What else did you get?
Open it.
What's this?
Open it.
Stickers. Did you get stickers?
I get stickers. My bunny friendly.
Did you get a DVD?
Yes.
A coloring book? What's inside these?
Open it.
Can you open it? Whoa! What's that?
Okay, alright.
Slow down, slow down, slow down.
And she ate them all. She just shoved all of them in her mouth. Avery, are you happy? Are you happy? The Easter Bunny came?